Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wanda and today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I will be creating this look that you see here on camera. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be using the Jacyln Hill palette for the eyeshadows. I do mention that in the video, but you know, just gonna let you know now. The highlighter that I have on, stay tuned so that you can find out where and what it is because it's very exciting. I also want to say thank you so much to all of the new subscribers that we have. I am like blown away. You guys are amazing and thank you so much for following me and following my journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as you enjoyed the video that made you subscribe. So without further ado, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, so now that you guys are nice and close, I am going to start on the eyes right away. So my eyebrows are done. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I do have a tutorial already up on the channel. I will link it somewhere up on the screen, one of the little cards. Everything is pretty much the same except for now I just use the Anastasia pomade in Ebony. That's the only product that I use, and of course I set it. I can't find my clear gel, but I set it with the Anastasia brow gel. For today's look, I am going to be using the Jacyln Hill palette by Morphe. This is so pretty. I love this palette. I'm super late to the game and I recently got this, well not recently, but I got it a few months ago and it's the only thing I've been using. I'm not even going to address the fact that, okay, I guess this is me addressing it, but I know I've been gone for forever and we've had so many new subscribers. So hello, my name is Wanda. Welcome to my channel. I probably already said that. I'm so glad you guys are here. Thank you so much for subscribing and I hope you guys enjoy the content. But I'm going to be using Creamsicle, which is actually this orange shade right here. So I am blending this orange color really high up into my eyebrow, like arch area, because it just helps with the blending because we're using blue eyeshadow today and me personally I find blue eyeshadow hard to work with. I don't know. I've only recently gotten into blue eyeshadow, so maybe that's it. I just don't. Anyways, I find this helps a lot. Plus I kind of want to do kind of like a blown out look with this. So hopefully we can achieve. We are going to take a smaller tapered brush. This is by BH Cosmetics. This is the 101. I guess this one doesn't have a name. It just says 101. But it looks like that. And we are going to take, this is Jada. Yeah, we're going to take Jada. We're going to take a little bit of that and we're going to start blending it into our crease and like this area here. I like to take this slow because it helps give that nice blown out, like effortless, but like not effortless at all eyeshadow look. So we're gonna take some product and we're going to start blending that in. So we're going a little bit above where your eye crease is. It's gonna look a little weird like color wise at first. Now on a pencil brush, we're going to take this color. This is a Mikasa E310 brush. So now we're going to go back into that, see, and work our way to the color that we want. We're going to keep building up. And this time around, we're actually gonna take that color and into the outer corner. This halo eye is gonna be a little different though than my last one. So outer corner and the inner corner. This is what we're working with so far. This look is literally so easy. Like you're using 3 eyeshadows. Once you get the hang of it, it takes you maybe 10 minutes. It depends if you're adding lashes and eyeliner. And it's gonna take you longer, but like the actual eyeshadow part, a piece of cake. So now I'm just gonna start filling this in and I'm going to use some spray and spray the bottle. Spray the brush. And I am going to use, I gotta move some stuff around here, of course. I am going to use Twerk on the middle of my eye. This Twerk is this gorgeous blue. Makeup is so personal, and that's like my favorite thing about it. Like literally this is how I do it, but you might find a way to get the same look, different steps. So you don't have to go step by step what I do. Go with what works for you, go based on your creativity, you know, just do you, boo. All right, so the lashes are on. So essentially this is the look, you know. On this eyebrow I have a little bit of a gold highlight. So let me add that. I'm just gonna use this little tiny brush. It's like one of my favorite brushes that I own because it's so small and it gets into everywhere that I need it to. So I'm gonna take some gold highlighter and I am going to put that right on under where my arch. Not that there's much of an arch there, which stinks. I went to someone that wasn't my eyebrow girl. Big mistake. The highlighter that I am using, all right, well, before I talk about the highlighter that I'm using, let me just blend this out. I always go back and just kind of like blend out the edges. All right, so the highlighter that I'm using is actually from my makeup line. I do have a makeup line. It's called Wanda Perez Cosmetics. I will put all of the links down below. I recently started, I haven't put any items up for sale yet. I am kind of finishing with packaging and formulas and stuff like that, but there is an Instagram, Wanda Perez Cosmetics, where I show you guys sneak peeks of the products. So I am currently using one of my products. This is the highlighter in Peso. So Peso, you know, like P-E-S-O, Peso, and it's popping. The highlighters are popping. Like I have 5 shades. I have Peso, I have Country Club, Sandcastle, Massaf Princess, and I recently launched well, I guess it's not launched, but I let you guys know of a new shade called Starstruck. My cosmetic line, I know a lot of people do private what am I saying? Private labeling. So essentially you get the product from someone and you can put your own logo on it and sell it as your own. I don't do that. My products are actually handmade. So I hand make my highlighters, I hand make eyeshadows, I hand make lip glosses. Eventually, you know, we'll be getting into blushes and contouring shades and hopefully foundations and so much stuff. Like we can do so much stuff. So actually earlier I sprayed my brush with, it's kind of like a priming water that we have. It makes the skin like super like perfect for foundation, and it, oh my god, it's amazing. Obviously I look really different. I did everything else. So I have my foundation on, my concealer, my blush, my contour, my pop-in highlighter. If you would like me to do a video about my business, please feel free to leave a comment below or press the like button, and I would love to do that for you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also visit my cosmetics page, Wanda Perez Cosmetics. The highlighter that I am wearing and the lip gloss that I am wearing is from my own personal brand. I make handmade cosmetics, in case you missed that during the video. Yeah, but thank you so much guys, and I will see you in the next video. If you have any requests, feel free to leave them down below. Bye.